Welcome back to the channel, guys. Seeing the fountain behind me there, you probably know where I'm at. We're back in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Last day of spring fling. We're gonna go take a lap around, look around, see what we can see. They're supposed to be having a bike show today. Some more vendors out. The rides are in full effect. So yeah, and we may take a little look through the food again as well. Probably not as much though, where I covered that the first day. But let's get this one started. It's going to be a hot one today. 80 degrees out here, I believe, is the high for today. A lot more folks out here as well. Let's get it started. As you see, quite a beehive of activity today here in Spartanburg at the Spring Fling. A lot of folks out today. Last day as well, as stated earlier. Here is all the food vendors though that we showed in Friday's vlog that came out Sunday. Made it down to where all the rides are. They really got a beehive of activity out here today. A lot more than the first day, Friday, which wasn't a bad turnout for just the bike races. But you have all this going on today. There they are, riding the spinner. See Taz, a picture of what's supposed to be Taz there, I believe, on the spinner. I used to love these when I was a kid. You used to go to the beach, to the pavilion, and ride the one. At the pavilion, the one that they had there, it went up in the air and then spun you around. You was way off the ground. I just walked up them steps there to this building right here to get on top to get a little bit of a bird's eye view. It's beautiful though, with that nice felting there, the American flag there, and all the rides. You can see all of them. Beautiful. Oh glory there. Just to show where I was standing at the Spartanburg County Public Library headquarters. Right there. Right up there. Giving you that view of that fountain there. The American flag. Now I'm back down here on the ground. I'm going to walk around some more and see what else we can find down here. Spring Fling. Pretty busy. Wow, so many people out here. See the bookmobile up there. How ironic, right here in front of the library. If you watch my video from Sunday, when I was here Friday at the bike race, you will know that where I'm standing now was a racetrack for the bikes that came around here, and none of this was here. So all this up through here, vendors, wasn't here Friday, but today they are, and we're gonna walk around and take a look and see what all they have up through here. Starting off with some cotton candies and candy apples over there. There's the bookmobile I was telling you about just a moment ago, with all those cool looking bubbles. It's a bubble world over there. Starting over here, we have some lighted balloons, jibs. Check out this little cool artwork here. Woodwork. Also have the slated rocks there as well. The heifer, please. Bigfoot. Suck Holland. Tons of cool stuff. And they have all these. These are taking over for the croc world. All different kinds. Let's see what we can find.
Well, I've looked at it and you got a whole lot.
Nothing really jumping out at me. Minions! They got a minion. Check them out. Awesome. How you doing, buddy?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. All kinds here. Look at that. Even a Mario character there. How awesome. Batman. No, 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 no. Batman. Velma. Shaggy. Don't see Scooby nowhere though. Scooby-Doo, where are you? Dora the Explorer. Bunch of cool things here. Jar Jar. Up. Boom! Right there. These are pretty cool. All these bubbles out here. I'm in a bubble world today. Bubbles flying all around me. I feel like Bubble Boy. A live band getting ready to play over there. Right here on South Church Street. Check this out. They have some doll clothes over here. Some baby dolls for sale. All over here. This booth here has some awesome metal signs. Metal work here. Check this one out of the deer. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Look at that ugly thing. Flimsy. All kinds of cool little things here as well. Over there, little owl I see. Woohoo! Woohoo! Do have a Carolina Gamecock one though. As we go on down this way, we run into some beard products there. Check out this cool little work over here as well. Metal werebugs. This cool little dog here. Little rats. Oh. Check out that tree. That tree looks cool. It's like it's flying in the wind there. Palm tree. Cool dragon. Check out this eagle. Awesome. Tree right there. More like dinosaur back there. Flamingos. Flamingos. The insect, spiders, turtle. Pretty cool. Here they also have some motorcycles here. Little bicycles. Worth love putting on it there. Little skeletons, swan, seahorse. Right now she is working on a piece here. Check it out. You do all these, yeah? Yeah. That's my YouTube vlog. Yes, ma'am. Some cool little things up there as well. Pretty cool. Little pig. Oink, oink. Check all those out. Really like the bass there. Lake life. Looks awesome. Some kennel popcorn. Got a whole basket full. Spicy movie theater. We're watching American Pro Wrestling here. Right here at the Spring Fling. Yeah! He thinks he's a cat. Oh! Go to sleep, cat. Yeah! Yeah! Oh yeah. Check him out. Oh Lord. Oh! I'm gonna rake his eyes. Can't do that!
I do what
You can't do that! You can't do it! You can't! Yeah! Get him! There you go! Hit him! Come on, Ralph, you slow! You gotta be faster, Ralph! Let's go, 1, 2, 3! Come on now! You can't do that, you're dirty! Let's go! Let's go, get him out of the corner! You suck! Come on! Yeah! Yeah! Stone! Got it! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Funnel cakes! Nobody told me they had wrestling at Spring Fling this year. This is awesome. Having a great time watching. I hope you are too. Yeah, let's go.
Here we go!
You suck! What is that thing right there?
It's nice to see you two.
What is that? You suck! AJ suck!
All you Spartanburg idiots, pay attention!
You suck!
Because right here and right now, you're looking at the best thing that's ever stepped into this stinking town.
You suck!
I give to you the big man Squeaks the Clown, and I'm your United States champion, AJ Bros. What you laughing at? What you laughing at? I'll get Squeaks to come out there and knock you out.
You suck!
Like I said, we're here so we can officially start. So let's get our unfortunate victims on out here.
Oh, get on the phone. Yeah! shut up!
Don't make me
You
go
suck!
down.
Come out here!
Put him on. Oh no! Oh! Wait! Go ahead! Oh no!
Go outside and you're in the wild of South Carolina and you encounter a snake and the tail starts to shake really fast and it makes a loud sound that you can hear, what snake are you looking at? It could be a king snake, a rat snake, a copperheaded cottonmouth, a black racer, a coach whip, or a rattlesnake, or a bunch of other snakes. Not when they're angry, not when they're mad, but when they're scared. Lots of different snakes shake their tails. Here's the difference. When a rattlesnake shakes his tail, he holds it up off the ground. A king snake, a rat snake, a copperhead that does not have a rattle, they lay their tail on the ground for a very important reason. When you're walking in the woods, what are you crunching under your feet? Dead, dry leaves. Imagine that snake with no rattle putting his tail in those leaves and now shaking it really fast. It's going to make a sound that you hear and you think you just found a rattlesnake. Now, camouflage didn't work. I saw him. He couldn't escape because he was cornered. The rattle's not scaring me off. What's the last line of defense for this snake? To bite. Now, if this snake were to strike at me right here, he would miss my foot by about that much. I'm pretty sure. All he has to do is crawl across the stage that far and he can reach me with a bite I'm not quick enough to move out of the way of. But the snake will never do that. This snake will not crawl 1 inch in my direction for the purpose of trying to reach me with a bite. Now, with that said, will a venomous snake crawl toward a person? Did you guys not see him crawl behind my foot a while ago? They sure will. But when they're coming towards you, it's not to attack. Venomous snakes go toward people for several reasons, and one of those reasons could be they perceive safety to be beyond where you're at and want to get past you. Or maybe you're casting a shadow like a stump. They want to hide in your shadow next to your foot. Some of y'all should be shaped like stumps, that wouldn't happen. But these snakes are defensive and not aggressive, okay? Now, camouflage didn't work. He couldn't escape. Rattle didn't scare me off. His last line of defense is to bite. If I'm outside somewhere and I encounter a dangerous snake and I remain calm, I back up, I leave the area, am I going to be okay? Yes. If I'm outside somewhere, I encounter a dangerous snake, and I freak out, I scream, and I try to run, am I going to be okay? Yes. Run, walk, crawl, cartwheel away from the snake, okay? He's not a dog. He's not going to chase you. As a copperhead. Can you guys see Hershey Kiss shapes on the side from where you are? You don't have to get close to see that. You can be a long way off and know what you're looking at.
Check out this right here. This lady is drawing on this sidewalk with chalk. She has drawn that. She is working currently on this Stranger Things piece here as well. Pretty awesome. And there is the finished project. Go down here and grab a root beer. We didn't get to grab one the other day. We had to leave. We have made it back to the root beer stand here, Hillbilly Soda Shack. I get some Hillbilly Bob's root beer and try it out. Didn't get to try it out Friday. Had to come back, try it out. Gonna try this root beer out. Comes in a cool little cup. Pretty good. Some good root beer. Nice and smooth. It's drought as well, which makes it better. If you ever see Hillbilly Soda Shack there, try them out. Having a bike show up here. from 12 to 5 today. I don't know much about bikes, but we're going to take a look at them. First one there, Harley Davidson bike there. Another old school Harley. I like that one though. It looks all rustic, vintage. It's really nice looking bike to me. More bikes over here. Check out that right there though. Those are pretty cool. Love the black and the lime green there as well. How's that? Check that out. It's awesome. Check out the wing there.
Look at that.
Love the lime green or whatever color. That ain't lime green, is it? I don't know what color that is. I like it though. I guess it's like a highlighter color. I don't know. It looks cool though. Got a live band going over there. That's what you hear in the back. A lot of Harley Davidsons though over here. Got the Wicked Wrench booth there. Along with some more motorcycles on this side. By far them are my favorite, so sorry. Check them out. Oh yeah. Listen to them right out there. All right, over here we have some more. Check this one out down here with all the flames on it. How awesome is that? That's cool looking. Check them out. Got the skull and the seat there. Pretty cool. That's the bike show though. And on my way back to the car, came across this. Hey guys. Giant mirror ball right here between the car garage and this building over here. Not sure what building that is. But yeah. See myself in there. Hello! That's pretty cool. That's gonna do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Here at the Spring Fling, the last day. Still drinking on the root beer. Pretty good. If you're new here, subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Lets me know you care. And we'll see you in the next one. As we go up the elevator. See if we see the ball. Yeah. There's the ball down there that we was just standing at. Alright, this is where I get off. We'll see you in the next one.